Welcome to my channel, and today's lesson is about what is graphic design, the basics. This resource is for teachers to use for the students in class so they can display it as a PowerPoint for their students and then they can run through that. Okay, let's make a start. What is graphic design? Graphic design is about visual communication. Graphic designers use type and images to convey their message. Graphic design can be found just about anywhere, from designs on buses, billboards, magazines to t-shirts, and mobile interfaces and websites. Graphic design solves communication problems that are aesthetically pleasing but also has a functional purpose. The creative process. The creative process is like cooking. You gather all the ingredients, carefully measuring each one and adding it to the mix. This is called the brief, which lays out the objective of the project. Considerable research must be undertaken in order to explore the subject. The more research is undertaken, the easier the creative process will be. This is because you will have more to work with. Generate ideas to form designs. The more you practice, the better you will become. Layout and composition. Layout and composition, how things are laid out, are very important. In graphic design, a hierarchy is used to lay out text and graphics. This enables the eye of the viewer to follow exactly what the graphic designer intended. Use grids to help with the layouts. Typography. Typography is the art of making type beautiful but also legible and to set the mood and feeling. Use type carefully in order to relay an accurate message intended to your target audience. Keep in mind upper and lower case. The baseline is also important to keep all type balanced. Typography 2. So as you can see here, we analyze the sections of type. So from cap height to baseline, counter, link, and to terminal. X height, ascender. Go through this with your students. Color. Color has many different meanings attached to it. They evoke different emotions. Culturally, colors may mean different things to different people. There are hot and cold colors. Which ones you use are entirely up to you. This will all depend on your creative brief and target audience. Color 2. This is a poster of a color theory. So you have subtractive colors, color types, additive color, warm and cool colors. And we've got RGB here for screen, CMYK for printing. Okay, as a graphic designer, the three applications that are most essential for a graphic designer to learn are Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. So Photoshop is the world's most powerful image manipulation software. It is used in many industries. For example, graphic design, games, animation, illustration, photography, and many more. Photoshop is a pixel-based program. You are only limited by your imagination, by what you can create. Illustrator. Illustrator is an excellent line drawing software used by designers and artists. It is a vector-based program. Logos and illustrations can be created effectively using Illustrator. Illustrator and Photoshop work well together. InDesign. InDesign is the #1 software for desktop publishing. It is used to create books, magazines, brochures, etc. InDesign also has interactive capabilities for ebooks and e-magazines. InDesign, Illustrator, and Photoshop work well together. And that's the end of our slide here. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you use it for your class. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, goodbye.